Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be finding out which one is greater, 33 to the power of 44 or 44 to the power of 33. So we want to find out which one is the greater number. So what I'm first going to do is take the power of 1 over 11 on both sides. And the reason I'm doing this is so I can use the property a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this turns into 33 to the power of 44 over 11, which is equal to 33 to the power of 4. And I also have 44 to the power of 33 over 11, which is equal to 44 to the power of 3. Now, I'm going to rewrite 33 to the power of 4 as 3 times 11 to the power of 4. And 44 to the power of 3 as 4 times 11 to the power of 3. So now I get 3 to the power of 4 times 11 to the power of 4, or 4 to the power of 3 times 11 to the power of 3. Now, 11 to the power of 4, I'm going to rewrite as 11 to the power of 3 plus 1. So now I get 3 to the power of 4 times 11 to the power of 3 times 11, because 11 to the power of 3 plus 1 is equal to 11 to the power of 3 times 11. Or I still have 4 to the power of 3 times 11 to the power of 3. And now we see that 11 to the power of 3 is present in both of these, so we can just cancel out because it's there for both terms. So I'm just comparing 3 to the power of 4 times 11, or 4 to the power of 3. Now 3 to the power of 4 is 81, so I have 81 times 11, or 4 to the power of 3, which is 64. Now 81 is already greater than 64, and on top of that we're also multiplying by 11, which turns into 891, or 64, meaning 891 is greater, so 33 to the power of 44 is the greater term. Alright, so in this video I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 144. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by taking the power of 6 on both sides. So I'll get x to the power of x to the power of 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 144 to the power of 6. Now from here, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So basically I can switch the places of these two exponents. So that's what I'm going to do with x to the power of 6 and 6. So now I get x to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 144 to the power of 6. And 144 is the same thing as 12 squared, so I get x to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 12 squared to the power of 6. So now this turns into x to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 12 to the power of 12. And if I have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a equals b. So in this case, x to the power of 6 is equal to 12. And if I take the 6th root on both sides, I get x is equal to the 6th root of 12. And this is positive or negative.